this is the wrap-up for the live market open for January 5th. It's Tuesday. It's the second full day of the year in terms of trading. And we had a small pause in pessimism. Had a bad start to the year with stock markets crashing, safe haven currencies gaining, and commodity currencies and the pound sliding. Then we had some kind of pause in this atmosphere, and then perhaps we're seeing now a resumption of the negative atmosphere. So it's still unstable markets, disappointments all over from the manufacturing sectors in China, the UK, and the US. German inflation missed with only 0.2%. This has made the euro less of a safe haven and weighed on it. So it's mostly the yen gaining in times of trouble, as we're seeing things today. And despite the weak figures in the United States, we had Williams of the San Francisco Fed say that he's still expecting 3 to 5 hikes in 2016. Markets don't really believe that. We're seeing weakening of the euro, currently close to support, around 107.90, 108, awaiting inflation figures. The pound resuming its falls after some stability, currently under 147. 146.10, I would say, support. 148 is resistance. Dollar yen, after recovering thanks to a better atmosphere, it's falling once again. 119.20, 118.20 support, 120 is resistance. Dollar CAD on the rise once again. 140 resistance, 137.87 is support. Watch out for oil prices after tensions subsided around Iran, or about to subside between Iran and Saudi Arabia. The reality hits oil, and it's a slippery reality, and there's no bottom to the barrel at the moment. As I see it, just too much supply and not enough demand. Aussie dollar 72.20 works very nicely as resistance. It's not the strongest line there. 72.80 is stronger. 71.50 is an excellent line as well. We'll release the most predictable currency pairs for Q1 later this week. And 70.50 is the next support line. Kiwi dollar, expecting today the milk auction, sliding now to lower levels, breaking yesterday's lows. 67 is support, 66 further support, resistance at 67.90. Okay, events for today. We had already Spanish unemployment change was okay. German unemployment change, expecting to see good data from Germany regarding the jobs market. UK construction PMI expecting more or less the same. It's the strongest sector, but not the most important one. Most important one is services tomorrow. Eurozone inflation data, the main event for today. Remember, real expectations are lower than official expectations. Official ones are 0.4. Real ones, I believe, are around 0.2 after yesterday's disappointment. This can be a make or break for the euro. Also look at core inflation. In the afternoon, we have Kiwi for the Kiwi New Zealand milk prices, and we have services PMI from China. As focus more and more on China, well, for a good reason. China is the world's second largest economy. Okay, so let's see if this pause in pessimism is really over, and if we'll see more gloom and doom, which is positive yen, not really positive euro anymore, and negative for commodity currencies and the pound. Okay.